I just received these stainless steel kitchen tongs and I'm really loving them so far. You get two short ones like here and these two longer ones, and you have one short pair that has narrow pinchers. The other short has wider pinchers, and the same with the longer tongs. You have narrow pinchers and wider pinchers, and they have grips on the inside, and I cannot wait to use these. All right, so here you see how you can use the tongs to whisk up things. So my son is whisking some eggs in a bowl with some spices. These tongs are also awesome for gripping and flipping things like bacon and other meats. And they clean up really well. I just put them in the dishwasher and they will be clean for next use. I 100% recommend these tongs.